In this video, I'll show you different types of dimension prefixes and how to use them. Let's dive right in! Let's delve into what you can achieve with dimension prefixes. You do have the option to add or change the dimension prefix globally, but it would change the prefix in all views and all other projects, old and new. So be careful with that. We recommend adding or modifying the local viewFrame-related dimension prefix. The viewFrame-related prefixes exclusively affect the selected dimension in the current viewFrame. Now, here is where it gets interesting with some special prefix options. Firstly, you can use a prefix, a suffix, or both. The angle brackets signify the value. So if you want to use the suffix, enter the angle brackets first and then the suffix. If you wish to conceal the value, insert an exclamation mark in the middle of the angle brackets. Furthermore, you have the option to replace the dimension value with any other expression. To place one text below the other, use a /p between the two texts. Additionally, you can utilize externals from the data tree for added flexibility and functionality. Let's work through some practical examples. Firstly, using data tree references and messages, you can copy the messages from the global prefix and paste them into the viewFrame-related prefix. For the message of the door height, go to a different view, activate a door to get to the door height dimension, copy the global prefix and paste it into the prefix of the door width dimension. Then, go to the data tree and copy the reference for the value of the door height. Enter this reference in the prefix area and press Enter. When you change the language and the parameters, the messages and values should adjust automatically. Another practical example involves calculations using data tree references and messages. In this example, we will take the travel dimension and display the value in millimeters and meters. First, copy the message from the global prefix and paste it into the viewFrame-related prefix. Then, add a colon, angle brackets for the value, and the unit millimeter as a suffix. Next, insert a backslash to separate those two units. For the calculation, begin with a backslash followed by a semicolon to separate text from calculations. Start the calculation with a number sign and square brackets with a 0.0 specifying the decimal places. Copy the travel reference from the data tree and divide it by 1000 to convert the value to meters. End the calculation with a backslash semicolon and add the unit meters. Thanks for watching!